Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily get mobile insurance from Lloyds Bank. So we're currently here at lloydsbank.com and right off the bat, we're just going to search for mobile phone insurance. Then just press enter. And right off the bat, we're shown here the frequently asked questions. And you can see here a question that says, does home insurance cover mobile phones? And if we view this, as you can see, if you avail their home insurance usually covers your mobile phone if it's damaged in or stolen from your home. You may need extra cover though for while you're outside of the home or for accidental damage. And if we scroll down here, you can see some of the products that Lloyds Bank offer, such as the packaged bank account mobile phone insurance. This cover for loss, theft, damage, and breakdown, including faults for packaged bank accounts customers. We also have here the Club Lloyds Platinum account. Get ahead with the Club Lloyds Platinum current account, offering worldwide travel insurance, and it also includes mobile phone insurance, breakdown cover, and a variable rate of credit interest, and much more. We also have here the silver account that also includes mobile phone insurance. And we also have here the gold account, and it also covers mobile phone insurance and more. We also have here the life insurance cover and home insurance that we mentioned earlier. So those are the products that Lloyds Bank offer that can help you get mobile insurance. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Then we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!